59. 3x squared minus 7x minus 20. And we're looking for the roots again. Now I have an a term, or an ax squared in front here. So is there anything I can take out of all the terms? No. 3 times 20 is what? Or 3 times negative 20 is? And I want to combine to negative 7. So 60 would be 1 and 62 and 33 and 20. 4 and, is it 15? 5 and 12. And 5 and 12 is what I'm looking for. 5, 12. What will give me a negative 7? Negative 7, I want a positive. 5, a negative. I don't like my negative. Negative 12. There is an a term, so I'm going to be factoring by grouping, and it's the 7x that I'm going to change to 5x and 12x. So here we go. 3x squared plus 5x minus 12x minus 20. One of the things that will help you with tonight's homework, so those of you who are tuning me out, one of the things that will help with tonight's homework is that when you're factoring by grouping, or when you're factoring in general, you need to put the problem in descending order. Yes, sir?
I have a question on tonight's homework.
Okay, can I finish 59? Then I'll be more than happy to answer your question. Have you tried putting the problem in descending order? Okay, then I'll get to it in just a second. So let's finish factoring by grouping. 3x squared plus 5x plus negative 12x minus 20. What can I take out of my first group? X. 3x plus 5 plus, what can I take out of my second group? A negative 4. And I get 3x plus 5. So I have x minus 4, 3x plus 5, and by this time I forgot what the question was asking. What was the question asking? My 4 roots. So x equals 4, x equals negative 5 over 3, or my roots are 4 and negative 5 over 3. And I solved this quick in my head. The non-mathematical way to solve this. This is how I learned. This is kind of fun. When I was learning to solve equations, the way I learned it is if it's positive on one side, then you bring it over the other side and it becomes negative, right? That makes so much more sense, but oh well. 3x equals negative 5. And if it's multiplication, to undo multiplication, you divide. So it's x equals negative 5 over 3. And that is a much more visual way to do it, and I think that's probably why I learned it that way, is because it's very visual, and I know I'm a visual learner. Is it mathematically correct? No. I'm not giving you the right reasons why it works, right? But that's what I do in my head, or how I picture it in my head. You need to know how to solve these the mathematically correct way, showing all your steps in that, but sometimes we can do them in our head also. 59. Next question, sir. What page are we on? Okay, just one sec.